Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Best English Podcast. I'm your host, Olivia.
And I'm James. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be back in the studio today.
It really is. We are so happy to have you here with us. Now, James, we have a life-changing topic today.
We really do. This is the big one. This is the topic that changes everything for English learners.
It absolutely is. But before we tell you the secret, we need to ask you a quick favor.
Yes, we do. Guys, if you are enjoying our conversations and you want to improve your English, please, right now, hit that subscribe button below.
Yes, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It really helps our channel grow, and it means you won't miss any of our lessons.
And honestly, it makes us very happy. So, thank you.
Also, if you are ready to stop struggling and start speaking fluently, hit that like button right now. Let's see how many likes we can get.
All right, Olivia. Formalities are done. Let's dive in. What is this big challenge we are tackling today?
Today, we're answering the question, how do I stop translating in my head?
The translation trap.
Exactly, the translation trap. You know the feeling, right?
I know it too well. Even I have felt this when learning other languages.
Describe it for us, James. What does it feel like?
Okay, so picture this. Someone asks you a simple question. Maybe they say, "Hey, what did you do yesterday?"
Simple question.
Right? But inside your brain, it's chaos. First, you hear the English, then you grab those words and pull them into your native language.
You translate the question to understand it.
Exactly. You think, okay, he asked what I did yesterday. Then you think of your answer in your native language. I went to the park.
And then?
Then the hard work starts. You have to translate "I went to the park" back into English. You're checking grammar, you're looking for words, and meanwhile, the other person is just staring at you.
They're waiting, and you are just standing there in silence, looking panic-stricken.
It's terrible. It's exhausting. It's like a three-step process. English, native language, back to English.
It's like taking a detour. Imagine you want to cross the street, but instead of walking straight across, you walk 3 blocks down, cross a bridge, and come back.
That is a perfect analogy. It is so slow. And that's the biggest problem, isn't it? Speed.
Yes, conversations are fast. If you're translating, you're always one step behind. By the time you translate the answer, the topic has changed.
And you feel lost. And when you feel lost, you feel nervous.
And when you feel nervous, you make mistakes.
It's a vicious cycle. Plus, Olivia, sometimes translation just doesn't work.
Oh, absolutely not. Languages are different. They have different structures, different flavors.
Right. If you translate word for word from your language to English, you might sound a little robotic or strange.
Exactly. So the goal, the holy grail of fluency, is to remove the middleman.
Cut out the translation.
Yes, we want a direct connection. See the object, think the English word. Feel the emotion, think the English sentence.
A direct highway from your brain to your mouth.
Precisely.
Okay, Olivia, that sounds amazing. Everyone listening wants that direct highway. But how? It feels impossible.
It's not impossible, James, but it is a habit, and habits take time to build. But don't worry, we have broken this down into 5 simple tips.
5 tips. I love lists. Let's do it. What is tip number 1?
Tip number 1 is start small. Start with nouns.
Nouns. Objects. Things we can touch.
Yes, don't try to think deep philosophical thoughts in English yet. Start with your immediate environment.
Okay, so right now.
Right now. Look around the studio, James. What do you see?
Looking around. Okay, I see a microphone. I see a table. I see a coffee cup.
Perfect. Now, when you looked at that cup, what happened in your brain?
Well, because I'm a native speaker, I just thought cup.
Exactly. But for a learner, the temptation is to think of the word in their language first.
Right, so the exercise is force yourself to label it in English?
Yes, be an English labeling machine. Walk into your kitchen, don't just make coffee. Look at the spoon and think spoon. Look at the water and think water.
I love that. It's like you are tagging reality.
Tagging reality, I like that.
You know, I actually did this with sticky notes once. Have you heard of the sticky note method?
Oh, classic. Tell us about it.
You get a pack of Post-it notes, you write the English word on them, door, mirror, fridge, and you stick them on the actual objects in your house.
That is so helpful because every time you walk past the fridge, you see the word fridge.
Exactly. You can't ignore it. It forces your brain to connect the physical object, the cold white box, with the English word. No translation needed.
That is the key. You are bonding the image to the English word.
So, tip number 1, look around you and name things. Do it for just 2 minutes a day.
Just 2 minutes. You can do it while waiting for the bus. Bus, street, tree, sky.
Simple, effective, I love it. Okay, what is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 connects to that. It is use pictures, not words.
Use pictures. Okay, explain that.
Many people learn vocabulary using lists. You know, a list of words in their language and a list of words in English.
Oh yeah, the long columns of text. I hated those in school.
We all did, and the problem with lists is that they train you to translate. You see the word in your language, and you memorize the English equivalent.
You're memorizing a formula, A equals B.
Exactly. Instead, use images. Use flashcards with a picture on one side and the English word on the other.
Ah, so no native language at all on the card.
None. 0.
So if I want to learn the word sun,
You draw a yellow circle with rays, or you find a photo of beautiful sunset.
and when I flip the card, it just says S-U-N, sun.
Yes, so when you study, your brain sees the image, the concept, and goes directly to English.
That makes so much sense. It's how babies learn, isn't it?
It is. Babies don't have a first language to translate from. They see their mom holding a bottle and she says milk, and the baby thinks, ah, that white liquid is milk.
Direct connection.
Direct connection. We need to be like babies.
I can be a baby. I could do that.
I'm sure you can, James. But seriously, Google Images is your best friend here. If you don't know a word, don't look up the translation. Look up the image.
That is a pro tip right there. Don't use a bilingual dictionary immediately. Use Google Images. If you search for run, you see people running. You understand the action without your native language interfering.
Precisely. It keeps your brain in English mode.
Okay, so we have naming objects and we have using pictures. But Olivia, we can't just speak in single words forever. Table, cup, sun. We sound like cavemen.
Me, James, me hungry. No, you are right. We need sentences, which leads us to tip number 3.
Lay it on me.
Tip number 3, narrate your life with simple sentences.
Narrate your life like a movie?
Like a documentary of your own life. But, and this is important, keep it simple. Subject, verb, object.
Give us an example. Walk me through a morning routine.
Okay, so you wake up, you stretch. In your head, you think, I wake up.
Simple.
You get out of bed, you think, I stand up. You walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I am tired.
I need coffee.
Always. I need coffee is the most important sentence.
But wait, Olivia, do I say this out loud or just in my brain?
Start in your brain. It's safer. People won't look at you like you're crazy.
True. If I'm on the train muttering, I sit down, I look at phone, people might move away.
Exactly. Keep it internal. It's your inner monologue, but the power here is connecting the action you were doing physically with the English words.
So as I am physically pouring the water, I think I pour water.
Yes, there's no time to translate because you are doing the action right now. It forces immediacy.
And you can do this for feelings too, right?
Absolutely. Emotions are powerful triggers.
If you feel happy, think, I am happy. If you are annoyed, think, I am annoyed.
Or I am hungry. I think that one about 10 times a day.
Only 10?
Okay, maybe 20. But this is great because it takes those isolated words from tip 1 and puts them into real structure.
Right, and you are building fluency in the most common daily activities. These are the sentences you use the most.
It's brilliant. It turns your boring daily routine into an English lesson.
Exactly. No textbooks required, just your life.
Okay, I love that. But Olivia, eventually my brain gets tired. I can't narrate everything all day long.
No, you can't. That would be exhausting.
So what do we do when we want to relax but still learn to think in English?
That brings us to tip number 4, immersion through simple media.
Simple media.
Yes, and I want to emphasize the word simple. James, do you know what mistake most advanced learners make?
Let me guess. They try to watch CNN or the BBC News.
Yes, or they try to watch a complex movie like Inception or a Shakespeare play.
And then they get frustrated because it's too fast and the words are too hard.
Exactly. And what happens when the English is too hard?
Your brain panics and starts translating again.
Bingo! You go back to your native language to try to survive the difficult content.
So to stop translating, we need easy content?
Very easy. I'm talking about cartoons.
Cartoons, yes.
I am serious. Cartoons for children, or simple sitcoms like Friends or The Office.
Why cartoons specifically?
Think about it. In a cartoon, if a character is sad, they are really sad. They cry a river of tears.
The visuals are exaggerated.
Yes, if they say, look, a big blue ball, you see a big blue ball on the screen. The context is visual.
So you don't need to translate because your eyes tell you the meaning.
Exactly. You are hearing the English, seeing the meaning, and understanding. It bypasses the translation center of your brain.
I used to watch Peppa Pig in Spanish when I was learning.
Peppa Pig is legendary for language learners.
It really is. It's repetitive, they speak clearly, and they narrate what they're doing. George is eating, and you see George eating.
That is pure gold for your brain. It relaxes you. You aren't studying, you are just absorbing.
And songs work too, right?
Oh, definitely. Especially songs with actions. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Don't make me dance, Olivia.
I won't make you dance today, but the point is, when you touch your head and say, head, that is thinking in English.
So finding content that matches your level is key. Don't be ashamed to watch kids' shows.
Never be ashamed. Be smart. It's a tool.
Okay, these are practical tips. Naming objects, using pictures, narrating actions, watching simple content. But I feel like there is one more thing, the mindset.
Ah, yes, the mindset. This is tip number 5, be patient and be kind to yourself.
This is the most important one, isn't it?
It really is. James, learning to think in a new language is weird.
It feels weird?
It feels strange. Your brain resists it. It's like trying to write with your left hand when you are right-handed.
It feels clumsy. You feel stupid sometimes.
Yes, and when you feel stupid, you want to quit, or you get angry at yourself. You think, why am I still translating? I'm so bad at this.
And that negative voice, that inner critic, is the enemy of fluency.
It is. Stress shuts down the brain. If you are stressed, you will translate. You need to be relaxed to think in English.
So, what should our listeners do when they catch themselves translating?
Just notice it. Don't judge it. Just say, oops, I translated. That's okay. Let me try again.
Just a gentle correction.
Gentle. Treat your brain like a puppy you are training. You don't yell at the puppy, you just guide it back to the right path.
Good brain, come back to English.
Yes, good brain.
It takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Exactly. Some days will be easy, some days will be hard. But if you do the small things, narrate your breakfast, name the objects on your desk, it adds up.
The neural pathways in your brain actually change. That English highway we talked about, it gets paved, it gets wider, it gets faster.
Until one day you realize, wait a minute, I just understood that whole conversation and I didn't translate once.
That is the best feeling in the world. It's like magic.
It is magic, but it's magic you build with practice.
I love it. Olivia, this has been such a helpful session. I feel motivated just talking about it.
Me too. I hope everyone listening feels motivated too.
Let's do a quick recap before we go, just to lock it in.
Great idea.
Tip 1. Start small with single words. Name the objects around you.
Tip 2. Use images, not text. Flashcards with pictures to connect the concept directly to English.
Tip 3. Narrate your life. Simple sentences like, I drink coffee, I open the door.
Tip 4. Immersion with simple media. Cartoons, kids' shows, things with strong visuals.
And tip 5. Be patient. Be kind. Don't stress.
Perfect summary, James.
Thanks, Olivia. You know, I'm looking around the room right now. Microphone, camera, light.
You're doing it.
I'm happy.
I am happy too.
Listeners, we want you to practice right now.
Yes, we have a challenge for you.
Look around you right now, wherever you are, on the bus, in your bedroom, at work. Find one object
Just one.
and tell us what it is in the comments below. But don't translate it. Look at it, think the English word, and type it.
Is it a cat? A window? A sandwich?
We want to see thousands of comments with just one simple English word. Let's create a giant list of English objects.
I love that idea. I can't wait to read them.
And hey, if you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend who's learning English.
Sharing is caring, as they say. It helps them and it helps us.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. It's always a pleasure.
It really is. Keep practicing, keep narrating your life, and remember, you can do this.
Believe in yourself. Stop translating. Start thinking.
See you in the next episode of the Best English Podcast.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!